Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication in Facebook. So let's get started. So after logging into your Facebook, you have to go to your settings. So I'm going to click on my profile over here and then click on settings and privacy. And then I'm going to click on settings. So from settings, I'm going to type down two-factor. So after typing down two-factor in the search bar, I have lots of options, and make sure to select option called two-factor authentication, and there's a hyphen in between two-factor. So I'm going to click this one and select two-factor authentication, and I'm going to select Facebook. So on the top option we have authentication app. I'm going to click on authentication app. And then I have enabled the authentication app. I'm simply going to click here and disable the authentication app. So I'm going to click on turn off, and my two-factor authentication has been turned off. So guys, that's how you can turn off two-factor authentication for your Facebook very easily. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.